and welcome back to the channel Home of Programming. In today's session, we will be continuing our chart creation with Excel. So in the previous session, we have learned how to draw a pie chart and how to make that pie chart more presentable, right? So this is the last pie chart we have drawn, and in this particular video, we are going to create an XY scatter chart, right? So the basic purpose of XY scatter chart is to fit a line into multiple points. That is, in order to draw a parabolic chart or a vertical line based chart, we can use XY scatter chart. So for drawing XY scatter chart, we can remove this chart and we can place XY scatter chart here, right? So I have moved the pie chart here, and in this particular region I am going to draw a XY scatter chart, right? So just select the range of data for which you want to generate a chart and click on XY scatter chart. So in that there are multiple options available, so we can choose this bubbles option, right? So we can choose any set of options, and once the chart has been drawn, we can format the elements of the chart, right? So for example, if you want to make the background color to black, or if you want to make the background color to some picture, we can do that, right? So if you want to change the formatting of your chart title, we can change that by just double click on that chart title and go to the menu format here. When we click on the format menu, we can have a drop down menu which contains all the elements of the chart. Just click on that format menu and click on format selection, right? So clicking on format selection will open that particular chart element dialog box in the right pane. So here format chart area has been opened. Now I want to format the chart title. So I am clicking on chart title. So format chart title dialog box has been opened, right? So in that, either I can fill the chart title with colors, or I can fill the chart title with pictures also, right? So if we want to add any set of pattern, we can add. So in this way we can format each and every element of our chart, right? So in the previous sessions of chart, we have discussed about how to create a column chart and how to create a pie chart, how to create a definite chart, and in this particular session we have learned about how to create a XY scatter chart, right? So an alternative way to create a chart is just select the data and click on the shortcut keys Alt F1, right? So clicking on this Alt F1 keys will generate a chart for you, but the thing is, clicking on Alt F1 will only generate column chart. So if you want to generate any other charts, you have to go to the insert menu and you have to click the particular chart icon available under the charts group. So this is a way of creating charts, and the basic purpose of to generate chart is to make a visual representation of numerical data and display the relationship between each numeric data, right? So this is the purpose of the chart, and with this we conclude the chart series of Excel. So I hope you have learned all the basics of chart and all the basic purpose of each individual charts. So if you have any queries on this, post your queries in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. With this we can conclude this session, and in our next session we will learn about other groups such as illustration, add-ins, sparkline filters in our upcoming sessions, right? So stay tuned with Home of Programming and subscribe to our channel for getting more updates regarding programming. Thank you.